Hey everybody, it's your buddy Brian here. Well, Mother Nature decided to not give us spring yet, and we are having our final snowstorm, so what better way to celebrate it than armadillo eggs? What's an armadillo egg? You've got a stuffed jalapeno, wrapped in sausage, wrapped in bacon, basted with barbecue sauce, crisped up that nice bacon. Oh, it's gonna be so good. We're doing it 3 ways, people. We're gonna do it on the smoker. We're gonna do it in the oven. And for those of you fancy pants, we're gonna do it in an air fryer. So let's get into it and let's grill crazy.
Let's go crazy.
All right, everybody, it is time to get into this. So with armadillo eggs, a little bit of extra prep work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these beautiful jalapeno peppers, we're gonna core them out, then we're gonna take our sausage, we're gonna extract the meat from the casings, and that's gonna take a little while, so give me a second here. Hey, Reed, yeah, can you give me a montage? You can't. Oh, you can. Oh, perfect. All right, let's get into it. All right, we've got our jalapenos, we've got our pork prepped. Now it's time for the filling. We got our cream cheese, we got our cheddar for a little extra pizzazz, and then crazy rub, as seen on Grill Crazy. Let's get into it. So we're just mixing it all together here. You want to make sure your cream cheese sits out for a few hours so it's easier to manage. Nobody likes mixing a hard block of cream cheese. So this has been out for a few hours, but apparently it could have been out for just a little longer. Well, my arm is getting sore, and I think we're good. Let's get stuffing. All right, we are mixed. We've got our Ziploc bag here, fancy, fancy. So what you want to do is whenever you're using a Ziploc bag to pipe anything, fold it down so it keeps it open and less mess. Look at how easy that was. So what you want to do is you want to get all the air out, pick a corner, and here's a tip. Twist your bag, because if you don't, it's going to start spreading out the side and then you're going to have yourself a mess. All right, snip the tip. Here we go. Okay, it's ready. Oh my goodness. Don't be shy. And there we are. Let's get the rest of these filled. All right, next up, sausage balls. Take a good amount of sausage. Take your jalapeno and just put it to bed. Make it nice and cozy. Make sure to seal it all the way around. And that is the start of a beautiful armadillo egg. All right, that step's done. Next step, bacon wrapping. Let's get into it. So we're using about 2 slices per egg. Gives it good coverage and not too much overlap. All right, last step, a little razzle dazzle with the crazy rub. You're gonna make sure you just cover them all. We got the Pit Boss Austin XL fired up to 250. We're rocking a fruit blend pellet. It's gonna be so good. They're gonna be sticky. They're gonna be crunchy. They're gonna be gooey on the inside. They're gonna be good. Let's do it.
Let's go crazy.
All right, my friends, let's get this on. We got her going 250. Look at that beautiful baby there. All right, throw these on. Easy transport, all that good stuff. Okay, we're gonna set a timer every 30 minutes. Come on out here, baste them up, get them nice and sticky. Looking for an internal temperature of 160. So, put them to bed. We're gonna throw those other ones in the oven. Let's get her done. All right. Set at 250, low and slow. And put them to bed. Same thing, baste every half hour. And we'll get the air fryer ready when we're ready. We'll see you in a bit.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, it's been 45 minutes. I know I said a half an hour, but you know what? Give it a little extra time. Get that smoke to penetrate, okay? So we're going 45 minutes. Time to lift the lid. Give a little base with your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh, baby, look at those. So you see here, we got a couple extra shotgun shells. I was a little liberal with the sausage. We're gonna let these go for another half hour, 40 minutes. We'll give it another base, and then we'll do a temperature check. These don't take really long, 2.5 hours, and they'll be good to go. These are already looking, smelling fantastic. I think probably the next time we lift the base, they'll probably might be ready to take off. So we'll close that back up, let it go for another 40 minutes, give them a check with the probe. Like I said, internal temperature 160, and we're good to go. We'll see you in a bit. All right, well, those babies are looking good on the smoker. We're looking good in the ovens. That means it's time for the air fryer. So we got our beautiful air fryer here. Throw these babies in the basket. Load it up. 400 for 10 minutes. And there we go. All right, so we're gonna do 10 minutes, flip them, 10 minutes, and then we're gonna baste them with that sauce, go for another 5 minutes, and then they should be done. We'll give them a temp, 160. Can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Oh, baby, these are done. Are you ready to take a look? Let's take a look. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's get those off and on for transport. Let's get these inside, slice them up real nice, and let's get eating. All right, everybody, it is time for the main event. Rito, what have you brought for our sampling pleasure?
Kilter, vintage Pilsner.
Ooh, I like it. I like it. All right, main event, my friend. We've got oven versus smoker versus air fryer. Which one tastes better?
About to find out.
Let's find out. What do we want to start with?
I'm gonna start with cracking open this beer.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Thank
Twinkie. All right.
All right, why don't we start with, let's start with that side, the oven.
Start with the oven.
Oven baked.
Okay. Ooh, look good. Nice and got some good juice to it. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Pretty good.
Nothing wrong with those. We got the sweetness from the sauce that's glazed up. You've got the barbecue flavor with the crazy rub that's been infused in the cream cheese. Got a little heat from the jalapeno and the sweetness from the breakfast sausage. Yeah, I mean, it's a winner. You make that game day, you make that, for just a Tuesday night, whatever you want. All right.
All right. Let's go to the air fryer.
Do the air fryer? All right.
Yeah.
Clinky.
Thank you. Now, this was made in about 30 minutes.
Yeah. And
Whereas the oven, about 2 hours.
about that. And you can tell the flavor difference. You can tell that this was cooked longer. The flavors were married together a little bit more. Where this is good. I mean, in a pinch, half an hour armadillo egg, come on, nothing wrong. But you can tell the difference. All right, clear the palate. Here we are.
Take a look at these smoke boys right here.
All right. Looks like we got a little bit of a smoke ring.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the winner for me right
That's
there.
the winner. Yeah. I mean, they're
These
all
are-
good.
All great.
All good. But if you have a smoker, use a smoker. As always, the hit of smoke makes the difference. Whew, that one might have been a bigger jalapeno on that one. Whew, it's got a little spice to it. But it's moist, it's smoky, it's got the tangy from the sauce.
This is a perfect game day snack too.
Oh yeah.
If you're watching the Super Bowl or curling or something like that,
Yeah.
and you need a snack, make this.
Do it up. Do it up. If you're making these recipes, Make them at home. Share it with us. We want to see what you're doing.
Make sure you hit that like button.
Yeah.
Smash that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Ring the dinner bell.
Yeah,
You
good.
get all of the notifications as soon as we put up a new video.
That's right. And so, yeah, enjoy. And remember, if you're going to grill,
Real crazy.
beautiful.